Hey guys, it's Greg from GWA Auto Parts, and today I'm here to go over the replacement throttle body for the 2003 to 2009 GM vehicles. Now this throttle body replaces the factory throttle body on a variety of vehicles, including the Chevy Silverado, the Suburban Tahoe, as well as the GMC models, including Sierra, Yukon. Mainly the 5.3 liter and 6.0 V8 engines from about 2003 to about 2009. You're going to want to check the product page for the exact applications. So this throttle body here is a complete replacement, includes the actual throttle body assembly as well as the valve actuator. Installation on this part is pretty straightforward. You're going to remove the bolts that hold the factory throttle body on. You're going to install this throttle body. Once this throttle body is installed, you're going to want to turn the key to the on position and let the vehicle sit for about 90 seconds and then shut the vehicle off and then restart it. And what that's doing is that's allowing the throttle body to index and adapt. So what's going to happen is in that about 90 seconds, you have the vehicle with the key in the on position, with the vehicle not running. The throttle body is actually going to open and close at various angles to adapt to know where it is. So it's really important that you turn the key on, don't touch the gas pedal, and allow the vehicle to just sit with the key in the on position for about 90 seconds. If you guys have any questions about the part, whether it fits your vehicle, please feel free to reach out to us. We'll be glad to help.